Today we have a 2007 Honda Civic SI amplifier in the shop. You must see our website for troubleshooting no audio in this vehicle. There are several causes to that. We have a troubleshooting video on our website along with removal of the speakers and stereo at carstereoremoval.com. But we're going to remove two screws, large screws, from one side of the amplifier. This amplifier is known for intermittent audio. If you've gone through the troubleshooting on our website and come to the amplifier, we're going to show you how to take care of this. With these four screws removed, we'll be able to remove the top cover. The dealership can be very helpful when it comes to locating the equipment in your car, usually providing the parts department with the last 8 of your VIN. They can tell you if you have an amplifier, the location, and help with that in most cases. We're going to remove four screws here out of the side of the heat sink here. These are a different size screw. They all tend to have a metal washer attached to the head as well. These are the ones that attach the output ICs within this amplifier to the heat sink so it dissipates the heat and doesn't burn the chips up. Now we're going to remove the cover. And this is going to be your board, your amplifier. We have several twist ties. Looks like 4 of them around the board. Sometimes I hide one in the middle, but we're going to straighten these twists out. They even have diagrams on the circuit board as to how they bend back so that you can't miss that. And with all 4 of these twist ties released back, we're going to gently try and pull this board straight up. It should release. There's a connector that goes down through it. It has some guides so the board goes straight back down. There's a guide here and a guide over here. And this amplifier is known for intermittent audio, so we're going to remove this portion. What we have here is 2 connectors, a gray one on the motherboard and a gray one on the motherboard over in this position. And we mentioned the lining points. There's 2 pins that come straight up over here, one next to the connector. We would place that here so that when this board comes back and goes into place, you want to align it all very gently. Once the guides hit in, you press it down, make sure the twist turns all match up, and press it into place to lock the connectors into place. Now the next board here has the same twisties. We have one at each corner here, so we're going to straighten these metal twists out so that the board will release. We have one in each corner, and let's see if we have one hidden in the middle of this board. Okay, 4 released. And we do have a 5th one back here between the connectors. There is a 5th one we're going to turn around, and this should remove the amplifier or the entire circuit board. Now the problem with these amplifiers is several things. We find where the connectors come in, because of the connector sits here and vibrates in the cars and moves, and with heat from this unit and the heat sink, that the solder at the connectors themselves tend to go bad. So we've repaired the solder here on the connectors. We also have repaired the solder on the 2 output ICs that sit on the side. Usually we have poor solder here or poor solder here at the connector. Sometimes you can open this up and tell that one of the chips is burnt. If that's it, then you know the chip needs to be replaced. But see our website if you have any questions about the Honda Civic. Comments are welcome. If you have questions, contact us. I hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.